Good afternoon, everybody. Con here with Techout. I picked up this glass case on eBay for my OnePlus 7 Pro, and I wanted to do a little review of it. The only problem I have is I don't think it's really glass. So this is a magnetic case. It is a two-piece case. The seller claims that it is a glass front and back, a 9/8 hardness glass, and I'm going to tap on it here. I have a plastic case right here that I'm going to use for comparison. So I'm going to do a quick tap on this. It doesn't feel, it almost feels plasticky. It doesn't necessarily sound like glass would. That is the glass right there, and then this is the plastic. They have the exact same tone. Now this one is not very, it's not flexible. It does feel like if I bend it, it would, crack or shatter. So it has some glass properties to it, I think, but it's not the type of glass that they say it is. At least in my opinion, it does not feel like glass. This case right here is flexible, but you can hear it has the same kind of ring to it. So I think this glass is going to scratch pretty easy, or whatever this material is. I don't think it is going to be 9/8 hardness, but that's what you get when you get stuff on eBay. It does feel good on the phone. Let me wipe it down real quick, and I'm going to put it back on just to show you how it goes on. It does feel good on the phone. When it's on the phone, it's not bad at all. It actually is a really nice feeling. So I'm just going to wipe the inside and outside off just so I don't get anything on it. One thing with mine is the power button on the case was kind of bent in, so you have to make sure you put that in first, or the case won't close all the way. I'll show you what I mean in a second here. So make sure you tilt that side of the phone down first. Put it in, make sure the power button is out. You can see right here the buttons kind of don't, they move around. And there we go. In the phone it goes. There's still some fingerprints on it. Those are mostly on the case. Like I said, being this clear material, it's kind of hard to keep it extremely clean. Fingerprint sensor and everything still does work, so everything is good there. I'm going to see what the seller says about the glass, see if it really is glass or not. But like I said, in my opinion, it does feel like a thick plastic or some kind of stronger plastic material, not actual glass. But this is the case. It's a BOTY, I'm not even going to try to say that, case. I got it on eBay, like I said, for the OnePlus 7 Pro. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.